I'm Jyoti Hikar, and today I'm going to talk about the respiratory system. So let's start. First, we see what is respiratory system. The respiratory system is the organ and other part of body involved in breathing. When you exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide, all the cells in your body oxygen need to oxygen to work. As they take in oxygen, they release a carbon dioxide, which is called a waste gas. It goes into your bloodstream and gets carried to your lungs. You breathe it out when you exhale. The vital function is called the gas exchange, and your body is set up to do it automatically. Then breathing is not only a job done by your respiratory system. Other many other tasks are included in it, uh, such as warming up air so that it matches your body temperature, moisturizing air in the humidity your level body needs, protecting your airways from things that might irritate or harm them. Then last is letting you smell and talk. The respiratory system parts. Your respiratory system is divided into two parts, upper and lower. The upper respiratory tract is made up of nose and nasal cavity, then sinuses, mouth, thorax or pharynx, then voice box, also known as larynx. The parts of your lower respiratory tracts are windpipe means trachea, diaphragm, lungs, bronchial tubes or bronchi, bronchioles, air sacs means alveoli, and capillaries. The respiratory systems and circulatory system. The breathing starts when you inhale air into your nose or mouth. It travels down the back of your throat and into your windpipe, which is divided into air passage called a bronchial tube. For your lungs to perform their best, these airways need to be open. They should be free from inflammation or swelling or extra mucus. As the bronchial tube passed through your lungs, they divided into smaller air passage called bronchioles. The bronchioles end in a teeny balloon like air sacs called alveoli. Your body has about 600 million alveoli. The alveoli are surrounded by mesh of a teeny blood vessels called capillaries. Here, oxygen from inhaled air passes into your body. After absorbing oxygen, blood goes to your heart. Your heart then pump it through your body to cell of your tissue and then to the organs. As the use of oxygen, they make carbon dioxide that goes into your blood then carries the carbon dioxide back to your lungs, where it is removed from your body when you exhale. Then inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation and exhalation are how your body brings in oxygen and gets rid of carbon dioxide. The process get helps from large dome-shaped muscles under your lungs called diaphragm. When you are breathe in, your diaphragm pulls downward, creating a vacuum that causes rushes of air into your lungs. The opposite happens and exhalation. Your diaphragm relaxes upward, pushing on your lungs, allowing them to deflect. Then, how does the respiratory system clean the air? Your respiratory system has built in a method to keep a harmful thing in the air from entering your lungs. Hairs in your nose help to filter out the large particles. Teeny hairs called a cilia along your air passage moves in a sweeping motion to keep the passage clean. But if you breathe in harmful things like cigarette smoke, the cilia can stop working. This can lead to health problems like bronchitis. Um, then we go forward to respiratory system disease. Respiratory infection are a common illness. Children are especially likely to get them. They can affect your upper or lower tract. Upper respiratory infection included the common cold, epiglottis, a swelling of the top part of the trachea, sits at the back of your throat. Then laryngitis means the inflammation of your voice box. uh, you might become very lose your voice altogether. Then pharyngitis, it is also a inflammation, otherwise known as a sore throat. Then sinusitis is an infection of your sinuses. Then lower respiratory tract infection includes bronchitis, means the inflammation or infection of your lungs that cause coughing and fever. Then bronchiolitis, a lung infection that usually affect children. Then chest infection, and then pneumonia. Respiratory infections are caused by viruses or bacteria entering your systems. They are contagious, spread by sneezing, coughing, or touching things, or contaminated with the germs. Um, Thank you.